Hi, good day everyone. My name is Monica Bae and I will be your mathematics teacher once again. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your paper and pen so that we can start. Lend me your eyes and ears. Listen attentively, okay? So, our topic for today will be operations on function, wherein we are going to focus on addition of function. Our objectives are at the end of the discussion, the viewers are expected to perform addition of functions, evaluate the sum of functions, and solve problems involving functions. Okay, so remember a simple recap about our topic last meeting. A relation is a set of ordered pairs, wherein the first set of the coordinate is called the domain, and then the second set of the coordinate is called the range. And when we say function, it is a relation in which for every first element x, there corresponds a unique second element y. We can only use the x, y, but the y can be used twice. Okay? So, evaluating a function, we only have to replace or substitute the numerical values of x to the given function and then solve or perform the operations follow. Okay, so the definition, let f and g be functions. So we have two or more functions here. So they will serve as the elements in our equation. So their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function defined by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Example. Before I give you example, I just want to remind everyone that the property we use in addition property, for example, the commutative property, is also applicable in the addition of functions. For example, the cumulative property, which is a plus b is equal to b plus a. So, in the same time, f plus g is equal to g plus f. So, it does not matter if our addends will interchange. We are going to get the same answer. Okay? Same property. So, our functions are f of x is equal to x plus 3, g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8, p of x is equal to 2x minus 7, h of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2 minus x, v of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4, t of x is equal to x squared, x minus 2 over x plus 3. So those are the functions that we are going to use. So here is the question. Using the functions above, find a, v plus g of x, b, p plus v of x, and c, f plus p of 2. So let's do it. Let's try. Example A. So find v plus g of x if v of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. So solution, by the definition, v plus g of x, that is equal to v of x plus g of x. So substitute the value of v of x, which is x squared plus 5x plus 4, and then copy the operation addition, and then substitute the value of g of x, which is x squared plus 2x minus 8. And then combine like terms. So combining like terms, we can only combine terms if they have the same variable with the same exponent. Okay, so in this case, x squared plus x squared, that is equal to 2x squared. And then 5x plus 2x, that is equal to 7x. And then the constant, 4 minus 8, that is equal to negative 4. So that's all. Therefore, we can say that v plus g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. Next example. So find p plus v of x if p of x is equal to 2x minus 7 and v of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. So by the definition, p plus p of x is equal to p of x plus b of x. And then substitute the value of the functions. That will be 2x minus 7. Copy the operation, which is addition. And then substitute the value of v of x, which is x squared plus 5x plus 4. And then combine like terms. X squared is x squared only appear once, so we're going to simply copy, and then 2x plus 5x, that is 7x. And then negative 7 plus 4, that is equal to negative 3. Therefore, p plus v of x is equal to x squared plus 7x minus 3. So we end it here. We cannot do anything about it. So this is the final answer. So the sum of p plus v of x is equal to x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay, so can you follow? I hope you are getting clear. Next example. Example C. So find f plus p of 2 if f of x is equal to x plus 3 and p of x is equal to 2x minus 7. So this is what we call evaluating the sum of a function. So we do not stop alone in getting the sum of the function, but we have to evaluate the sum of it. So in this case, we have two solutions. We have two available solutions for this. So the solution one is we are going to add or find the sum of the function, and then if we already have the sum, we are going to evaluate that sum or substitute the value of x from that sum. So let's say f plus p of x is equal to f of x plus p of x. That is equal to x plus 3 plus 2x minus 7. So that is equal to 2x plus x is 3x, and then 3 plus negative 7, that is equal to negative 4. But we do not stop here. So from here, we are going to evaluate, which is we are going to substitute the value of x. That will be f plus p of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 minus 4. So that is equal to 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4. So that is equal to 2. Therefore, when we evaluate the sum of f plus p, that is equal to 2. Okay? So that is the first solution. So this is the second solution. In the second solution, we are going to substitute the value of x from the very start, without doing anything or without performing any operations. Example. So f plus p of 2 is equal to f of 2 plus p of 2. So change or substitute, replace all the value of x. So that will be equal to, so from x plus 3, that will be 2 plus 3, plus the operation from 2x minus 7, that will be 2 times 2 minus 7. And then perform the operation. So that will be equal to 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down negative 7. So our new equation will be f plus p of 2 is equal to 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2. So as you can see, we get the same answer. F plus p of 2 is equal to 2. So it does not matter which solution you are going to use. As long as we came up with the same answer, we don't have problem. Okay? So if you know any solution aside from this, it does not matter as long as we do not break any law in math. Okay? Got it clear? Do you have any questions? If you have questions, you can comment. Okay. So, practice. So, the given functions are f of x is equal to x plus 3. Don't grab your pen and paper so that you can follow. Okay, let's see if you follow, if you understand what we are discussing. So our functions are f of x is equal to x plus 3, g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8, p of x is equal to 2x minus 7, v of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4, h of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2 minus x, and t of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 3. So using these functions above, find a, p plus g of x, and letter b, f plus h of x, and letter c, f plus g of 1. Okay, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes each question. Grab your pen and papers. Excuse me. Let's see your answer. So, solution, p plus g of x is equal to p of x plus g of x, that is equal to 2x minus 7, plus the operation, x squared plus 2x minus 8. And then combining like terms, since x squared only appear once, so simply bring down, and then combine 2x plus 2x, that is equal to 4x. And then negative 7 plus negative 8, that is equal to negative 15. So if you get the same answer, that is correct. X squared plus 4x minus 15. Always make your final answer in proper arrangement. Okay? So the exponent will be highest to lowest. So to be proper. Next one. Find the f plus h of x if f of x is equal to x plus 3 and h of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2 minus x. So we have additions of rational expressions. So x plus 7 even a x plus 3 and the h of x is equal to x plus 7 over 2 minus x. So when we substitute the value of x and the h of x, the new equation will be x plus 3 plus the quantity of x plus 7 over 2 minus x. So this is an addition of rational expressions. Therefore, we cannot add, or we also apply the rule for fraction. We cannot add if they are having the similar denominator. So we have to find the LCD so that we can perform the operation. So in this case, the LCD will be 2 minus x. Therefore, 2 minus x divided by invisible 1 times x plus 3 plus the operation 2 minus x divided by 2 minus x is equal to 1 times x plus 7, that is equal to x plus 7. And then expand x plus 3 times 2 minus x, that is equal to x times 2 is 2x, x times negative x is negative x squared, and then 3 times 2 is 6, then 3 times negative x is negative 3x, all over 2 minus x, plus the operation, and then bring down x plus 7 over 2 minus x. And then from here, it's just repeated. So from here, perform combining like terms. Since we already have the same denominator, we can already combine the terms or combine the numerator. So in this case, 2x minus 3x is negative x plus x is equal to 0. So that is eliminated. And then negative x squared, that is only 1. So right here, bring down negative x squared. And then the constants are 6 and 7. So 6 plus 7, that is positive 13, all over 2 minus x. Okay, so how come that our final answer is x squared minus 13 all over x plus 2? Because remember that it is not proper to put negative sign in our leading term. Okay, that's why we have to multiply all the equation with negative sign. That's why it becomes positive x squared, and then the positive 13 becomes negative 13 all over x plus 2. Why? Because when we multiply it to negative, this will be positive 2, and then this one will be positive x. Okay? So, that's it. Next one. The last one, practice. F plus g of 1 is equal to f of x equal to x plus 3. Another 2 minutes. Okay, so show your final solution. So that will be x plus 3 plus the quantity of x squared plus 2x minus 8. So from here, x squared plus 3x minus 5, we are going to evaluate. So this is a solution 1. Okay, so 1 squared plus 3 times 1 minus 5, that will be 1 plus 3 minus 5, which is 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. That is the solution 1. For solution 2, replace or substitute all the value of x. So that will be 1 plus 3 plus the quantity of the 1 square plus 2 times 1 minus 8, which becomes 1 plus 3 is 4, and then 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 8, that is equal to 7 minus 8, which is also equal to negative 1. So it's whatever solution you use, it will be fine as long as we have the final answer. Okay, so it's time for your sit work. It will be sent through Facebook. Don't forget to use Matinix. I use the same direction, so I guess you are familiar with this direction. And our deadline will be until 12 midnight. Take a picture, screenshot, and that's all for today. And goodbye. I hope you understand our lesson. Remember that in order for us to evaluate the sum of the function, we have two solutions. It's either you are going to perform the addition first, and then from the sum, substitute the value of x, or from the very start, you are going to substitute or replace the value of x. Okay, so don't forget our lesson. See you next time. Bye.